Hi, I'm Beth Allen, DIY expert, licensed contractor, and the founder of DIY Hip Chicks. DIY projects are of course fun and empowering, but they only make sense if you are saving some cents. Here are 7 DIY home improvement projects that will deliver some serious return on your investment. First up, the kitchen. Renew and refresh your kitchen cabinets. This could be as simple as giving your cabinets a new coat of paint or some bling with new hardware. These are affordable and doable DIY projects. Second, create curb appeal. Keep your lawn and landscape manicured for a welcoming and beautiful look on the outside. Low-maintenance trees and shrubs make it easy to keep up with. LED solar lights make for easy pizzazz at night. Make your entry adorable. Give your front door a makeover. Start with fresh paint, potted plants, a new wreath, and a doormat to match your personality. Next on the list, creating a backyard oasis. Who doesn't love a beautiful outdoor space? Building a new deck may not be for beginners, but you can work with your contractor to design a space that is both functional and beautiful, while adding living space and value to your home. Fifth, brighten up the basement. That doesn't necessarily mean getting a fully finished basement. By cleaning up the basement, you can help prospective buyers envision a space that will fit their needs, whether it is a rec room, an office, or a home gym. Next up, add more storage. Anytime you add usable, organizational space to your home, you increase its value. This could be a pantry, a new storage unit in the garage, closet organizers, or even pull-out drawers in the kitchen. Lastly, make small repairs and keep up with the maintenance. Buyers notice the little things that show a well-functioning home. This could be anything from fixing a leaky faucet, a loose gutter, or replacing an outdated light fixture. Follow these 7 tips if listing your home is in the future, and you're sure to get some serious ROI when it comes time to sell.